Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's recipe is for all those fish lovers, especially who like fish fry and tend to avoid it in your weight loss journey. Living in Kerala, fish is something which I get fresh all through the year round. So in today's recipe, I'm sharing a healthier and low calorie fish fry with very less oil without compromising on taste, so that you can enjoy a slice of fried fish with your meals. I have already shared oil-free fish fry recipe. Links will be updated below this video, so please do check it out. So let's get started with the recipe. Now I'm marinating half kg fish, but I will give the measurement for one serving in the description box below. The one extra thing which I use in the marination is juice of garcinia kambogia, also known as kudampuli. Do check my oil-free fish fry to know how I make the juice. Adding the juice helps to balance all the flavors. Now if you don't have garcinia kambogia, you can use juice of half a lemon. Also note that I'm slightly on the spicier side, so feel free to adjust chili powder to suit your taste. To fry the fish, I'm using a small cast iron skillet. This is a great skillet for one serving meals. Now into my seasoned cast iron, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon coconut oil, and I'm just tilting the pan so that the oil is nicely coated all over the pan. Reduce the flame to the lowest and place one slice of the marinated fish onto the tawa and allow it to fry on low flame. Did you know that 1 teaspoon coconut oil has 39 calories? Okay, after about a minute or so, tilt the pan so that oil is spread on all sides of the pan. Now you will have to do this again once or twice, or whenever you feel that the oil has accumulated on one side of the pan. So you need to tilt the pan and allow the oil to spread all over the pan. Okay, once that side is cooked, turn the fish slowly to the other side and let it roast and fry till done. And what I usually do is I turn off the flame and keep the fish fry on the tawa for about 1.5 to 2 minutes before serving. So guys, this fish fry was done with only 1 teaspoon coconut oil, which is only 39 calories. Hence a totally guilt-free fish fry. Enjoy this healthy and low calorie fish fry with your favorite meal and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.